welcome back to a new video. Today we are gonna dye my hair. What? Yeah, we are dyeing my hair back to my natural color, or it's like a little bit darker because the new year, new hair. Ow, did I really dab? But yeah, so you guys are gonna go through the journey with me to dyeing my hair back to brown, because I'm not paying $200 for a salon to do it, because they're gonna probably f it up, and I'm probably gonna f it up too. So you're gonna be along the journey with me to see me if I do f up, and you guys are gonna laugh at me if I do f up. Simple as that, right? Am I right? Am I right? I'm right. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned to dye my hair. Bye. So I just finished dyeing it. It is getting treated right now, but I'm so freaking dirty. Like, I had so much like on my neck. You can still see some. Like, it's so bad, but let's hope. Now I'm waiting 20 minutes for this to work. Wish me luck. I did it. It actually looks so good. I was so scared it's gonna be like patchy, because your girl don't know how to dye hair, but apparently I do. Nemo. What's up, everybody? So I'm at Shingle Creek right now with my two besties. Hey. So yeah, wish us luck. Let's hope we don't get eaten or captured. Here's the fit. I'm wearing really cool yellow glasses, a heart hat. Yeah, nothing. So
this the flyest fit.
Ooh. There's a guy coming.
Let me get a name.
Wait, there's a guy coming.
Your point?
There's a guy behind us coming.
He can peep the outfit too.
So here's my fit.
I will show you the way.
The way.
The
I'll
way.
show you the way.
I will show you the way. The way. Let's put it here.
Is that a weed?
I'm calling the police. No. And they were moons. There's puppies.
Did we miss our turn?
No.
Oh, no. Oh my god.
My theory.
So mean. What's that?
Those types of dogs are just like fuckboys, because you think that they're all cute and
And then go.
I want to lick your dick, and then all of a sudden
You're in the gutter.
like
That's a good analogy, I guess.
baby and all.
What?
What? Stop. Powerful.
The power lines are so high. Oh, let me make a pun. I want to make a pun about the power lines. Oh, you see these power lines? Too bad they have no power aligned. That was so fucking lame. That was so lame.
I don't think anything has ever made less sense than what you just said. Yeah.
I'm trying to make a
whoa,
pun.
Whoa. Why is this tree so small?
Why?
I don't know, I'm asking you, why is it so small?
Can you believe that?
Why is it so... I fucking hate puns. I can't do them. Another pun, Lauren. Another pun.
That's electrifying.
And then the power lines.
The water is not wet.
Water is wet. If you put your face in it, then your face is wet.
Alright, do you
So
want me to make my face
Your
wet?
face isn't wet.
I'm already wet.
No, listen. Your
Wait, you
face
can't
isn't
see.
wet until you take your head out of the water and it makes contact
With air.
With air.
What if you're airheaded?
What the fuck?
I'm gonna get that no trespassing sign.
Isn't an airhead a Laffy Taffy?
What? What? Airhead is a candy.
Probably can't.
Hey, shout out to J.A. for introducing me this song. Oh, and Jocelyn and Ashley. And yeah.
She is my rock. She is my rock. She is my rock. Bust at the hold down the spot. Beats with the bar. Shout to be wet.
I'm out here
In the
exploring.
in Jumanji.
Oh. What?
Oh my god, that movie is so funny. Get the mangoes. Go. Get the mangoes. Hurry up. Hey. Oh, we got a wild ostrich. And this is who? This is Picasso and her artwork.
Yo, what's up? I'm Picasso. Artwork.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, freeze frame. Okay, ready? I'm scared I'm gonna twist my ankle. I have a game.
No.
All you do is play games if you don't jump.
Burn and perch it there for the rest of your life.
seagull and fly. Ready?
Ready? Give me your hand.
No! Dad, I could do it on my own. I'm so scared.
Go jump.
You jump first, Jack.
No, never let go.
I'm so scared.
Go do the foot thing.
This is for all my viewers out there.
Don't ever try this at home. Guys, 6 feet
It was at this moment that
She-
knew
She did not.
he fucked up.
is treacherous.
My name is Lauren. Welcome to Jackass.
What? What?
You have dirt on your ass.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, that was honestly not that scary.
Alright.
We also have another wild beast out here taking photography. Taking photos. Oh, damn, you look like a stripper. Damn, damn, shawty.
At 6 o'clock, anytime o'clock. You call me.
Call you guys. At 407.
1-800 choke that hoe.
You dropped my fucking sunglasses, bitch. Those are on Amazon for $4. You know how much money and time I spent?
I think I lost it. Oh well. Ela é muy boa.
Look at the hair in her book bag and her all black. She literally looks like a mom.
Eu falo português.
I'm done now.
News. And welcome to Jackass. Oh, look at her new glasses.
Oh, look at your new glasses.
Say hi to the vlog, mom.
Say oi.
Oh, whoa.
Think she cute. Wanna have sex.
This is the tragedy. This is the tragedy of Hurricane Irma coming to you live. The tree fell over. It destroyed millions and millions of George, this Eiffel Tower is huge.
Just like this. Bleep that out later, right?
Maybe.
Just like
Alright.
this. Click.
Oh!
This video.
Click down below and subscribe. Make sure you like.
Subscribe, comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah!